As a human development and family studies major, we are required to do an internship before we graduate. And I'm actually in my internship right now. I'm at Sunshine Communities, which is a organization in Maumee, Ohio, which helps adults and children with developmental disabilities. My brother has developmental disabilities, so I didn't really think that it would be for me to do it as like a profession since I deal with it a lot, but that actually makes me more suited towards it, and it's something that I never really would have thought about if I hadn't been at Sunshine, and I can totally see myself after going back to school or doing whatever I do after graduation, kind of pursuing that as a career, and it's something that I never would have thought about without my internship.